Is your Honda City touchscreen not working? The most common causes are software glitches, hardware issues, or extreme temperatures. Let's start with the simplest solutions. First, try a soft reset by turning the ignition off and on, or hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, attempt a hard reset via the system's hidden menu, usually accessed by pressing and holding the back button and audio knob simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. Be aware this will restore factory defaults. Next, navigate to Settings and use the built-in touchscreen calibration tool. If these steps fail, your car may be due for a software update. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, check for software updates via USB or over the air. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like BNE91, indicating a touchscreen module fault. Remember to check the NHTSA website for any recalls related to your model year. Honda technicians report that many issues stem from improper updates or user error, while others are hardware-related. If the problem persists, seek professional help from a certified Honda mechanic to avoid further damage or voiding your warranty. They have tools like the Honda Diagnostics system software to diagnose and fix complex issues.